Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to access the Google Workspace Admin Console. This is your central hub for managing users, apps, security settings, and billing across your entire organization. So knowing how to get in quickly is essential for any administrator. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is the dedicated URL for the Google Workspace Admin Console, separate from your regular Gmail or Google Drive. Once the page loads, you'll see a sign-in screen asking for your credentials. In the email or phone box, type in your Google Workspace Administrator email address. This needs to be an account with admin privileges, not just any user account in your organization. After entering your email, click Next to proceed to the password screen. Now you'll see a field labeled Enter Your Password. Type in the password associated with your administrator account. Make sure it's correct, as too many failed attempts can temporarily lock you out. Once you've entered your password, click Next again to move forward with the sign-in process. If your organization has enabled two-step verification for added security, you'll be prompted to complete an additional authentication step. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone, approving a prompt on your mobile device, or using a security key. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and click Submit once you've completed the verification. This extra layer of security helps protect your organization's sensitive data and settings. After successfully signing in, give the Admin Console homepage a moment to fully load. You'll land on the dashboard, which is your command center for managing everything within Google Workspace. Take a few seconds to familiarize yourself with the layout. Key areas you'll want to know include users for managing accounts and permissions, billing for subscription and payment details, apps for controlling which Google services are available to your organization, security for setting authentication and data protection policies, and reports for viewing activity logs and usage statistics. Each of these sections gives you powerful control over different aspects of your workspace, so exploring them will help you manage your organization more effectively. Thanks for watching.